Some of the biggest movers for Wednesday, the 17th of December 2025. We have BBAI, NVDA, YCBD, Tesla, and MDLN. BBAI down 6.4%, 124 million shares have crossed the tape so far. The market is closing in around 12 minutes. Okay. I think I'm suspecting one of the reasons why they are so keen on, why it's always very active is it's not that volatile. It's not that 95% is really not that fantastic as such. In the scheme of volatile stocks, this is not so much. I think that tight range is a draw as well. I think so. So let's see what we have. I think we covered it yesterday, and here we have a bounce is expected from tomorrow's trading session. Okay, and it's expected that it might hold it up till the 23rd. That's a long shot. I really doubt. Well, never say never, But what we know, we can see here is that the 40-day moving average is declining and is expected to prevent any bounce, any reasonable bounce beyond it. Yeah. Okay. So the projections are saying 7.14, 7.95, 8.44 to the upside, and then to the downside we have 3.35, 3.9, and 4.81. This momentum is expected to remain flat, going all the way towards all the way towards the 29th of January. Okay, let's see whether there's any news. Can BBAI's agentic AI lead the next wave of defense automation? Okay, there might be some news somewhere, but we could just quickly glance down here. Sometimes, no, not really, nothing here. Nvidia down 3.45%. 172 million shares crossed the tape. Average volume is usually 193 million. So yes, and Nvidia is not volatile as well. You can see that it's not volatile. That's an attraction. Yeah, that's an attraction. I believe it's an attraction. It gets heavy volumes traded. Yeah, institutions will prefer to come here. I think it's obviously what's going on. And yes, of course, yes. It's also suitable for. It can be suitable for option trades. Yeah, they can be suitable when they are this stable. When they are less volatile, they can be suitable for various options transactions. Yeah, and yeah, if they're not going to, if they're not really that volatile, you are the propensity to bet on certain strikes will be there because you can see that it cuts both ways. If they are volatile, then you are probably going to do one thing or the other, but the fact that they're stable is surely an attraction. The propensity of people getting involved because of that is there as well, and I think to some extent that is what happens as well. Yeah. Nvidia, okay, just is expected to continue to decline as well. Okay, let's see now. We could see what the projections are saying. Okay, to the upside, let's see 186.64, 193.17, 197.20. To the downside, we have 161.55, 151.45, 145.20. Okay, momentum is expected to remain pretty much flat up till the 29th, and then after that it might begin to inch up, but modestly. What we can do is apply the extrapolation of its 21-day moving average to see what the interaction is indicating. No, we have that already. Okay, yeah, everything is pointing downwards. Yeah. No response. YCBD. Yeah, too engaged. Okay, let's find it here. YCBD. YCBD underlying trend severely bearish, but just going neutral. Okay. Yeah, I think it's a weed stock. Got a bounce like the broader markets on the 21st of November, and took it to a high gear from Thursday the 11th, and it has not looked back since then. It has not looked back. It has not. Others have contracted somewhat. It has just continued to print higher prices. Yeah, and well, the extrapolation seems to be suggesting that it might continue to do so up till the 9th of January. What are the odds of that happening? Not very high, but never say never. Okay. And projections are saying 2.1, 2.1. Yeah, it has already surpassed that now. Yeah, let's see. We could get what will be the nearest upper projection. It will be this one, 2.52. Let's see. Statistically, not very high. Not very high. Not very high. Not high. Not high. That not high. That implying that maybe he may well do so. He may well do so. Yeah. YCBD. It has exchanged a lot of shares. Let's see whether we can get something out of this. Okay, Tesla is down 4.41%. It has been, yeah, let's see, it had, what's the streak? What's the streak? Streak, okay. Yeah, Friday, Friday the 12th, Monday, okay, 3 straight days of gains. Today is now the fourth, it's contracting. The algo seems to be suggesting that it may keep on contracting this expansion up till the Friday the 26th. Okay. And after that, the uptrend may resume. And then it may take it to a high gear from the 15th of January. What will be happening then? Okay. All the moving averages are equally rising to offer support. Yeah. And then they're also rising at the moment to catch any pullback that is happening and which is expected to be the case. The 21-day moving average is expected to serve as a primary demand line by from Friday the 26th and going all the way towards the 19th, sorry, the 21st or the 12th of January. So it's actually a consolidation with an accumulative bias that is expected, at least from after Christmas towards the middle of January. Yeah. Projections are saying 480.14, but yesterday we saw there's none here, but we can see the projections on its weekly chart. Here on its weekly chart, it's okay. Yeah, we have its consolidation. Consolidation is what is expected. Yeah, let's see what we have. We have 490.68, 596.28, 661.51. MDLN, oh, MDLN, Medline. Yeah, stock. No data. Strange. Let's see what the 4 hour chart is saying. Okay, it just debuted. All right. Okay. Yeah, a lot of shares have crossed the tape. No data yet. Okay. All right. See what you make of all of these things, all the stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.